Hey folks, Big Woodsman here. Today we're going to take a four-wheeler trail, crazy little trail, into a lake and hopefully catch some walleye. So stay tuned. Let's see what we get into. So I said yesterday we were going to go out for a fishing trip. We were going to take a four-wheeler trail in. Hopefully I was going to get some nice footage of catching some nice walleye. We did catch our limit in this lake. Biggest one was 20 inches. We're allowed 1 over 18 for our slot size, so that's our keeper. So that was great. However, at the very end of the trail, when I hit a muck hole, my GoPro jarred loose and I ended up losing it. So we went back today. It's been sitting in this muck hole for 16, 17 hours roughly. We weren't sure if we were going to find it. We took shovels. My brother helped me. Thankfully, he went along with me. Couldn't have done it without him. We dug and we dug and we dug and we ended up finding it.
Welcome to the new Dirty Woodsman show.
We dug a massive trench, but we got you. And here's what it looks like. Quite a mess, but we did get it. So let's test it and see if it works. Been stuck in the muck for 24 hours. A little damp, but it still works. Holy shit. Well,
And here's where she lie.
So there you go. After some extremely long digging, slogging through a muck hole, getting horribly filthy. I must be filthy right now. I really don't care. But we ended up getting our GoPro back, which is awesome. So next thing I'll be buying is a nice orange case for it so you can actually see it when you drop it. So remember, there's life out there in the woods. I'll see you out there in it.